guys! What's up? It's Renee and welcome back to my channel. For today's video is an exciting one because this is a makeup haul. So these are the things I got over the past week. And so medyo marami-rami siya. So I just decided to do a haul video on this. This is a Shopee haul. Okay, so lahat ng to nabili ko sa Shopee except sa isa. Pero pwede mo rin siya mabili sa Shopee. I won't be picking in order. So kung ano na lang yung mabunot ko, then that's it. Let's start. First items are this. This is from Babe Cosmetics. So, I purchased their sample kits. This is, 1,050 lahat. This is, I'm not sure. I think this is the Wonder Gel. Then, this is the matte lip tints. I'm currently wearing MLT07 right now. And super cool niya. Ito naman yung lip tint lang talaga, I guess. And, yun. Babe Cosmetics just launched their makeup line, so make sure to check them out kasi sobrang affordable lang ng products nila and sobrang accommodating ng seller. So yeah, I'll leave their shop down below. I'll also be doing a review on these products, like pinaprepare ko yung lips ko for the lip swatches of this kasi nakikita nyo naman medyo marami talaga siya, girl. Be sure to stay tuned and I think I'll be uploading it for the next weeks. So next items we got are from Super Beauty. Super Beauty. I think it's Super Beauty. Yep. I got Super Beauty's Lip and Cheek Rolly Liquid Lipstick Series. I got 7 shades and gumawa din ako ng review nito. So, I'll upload it after this haul video. So, make sure to check my thoughts on these products. So, next items are Maybelline stuff. Since sale, bumili ako ng items from Maybelline. Medyo mura ako dun. By the way, I'll leave all the prices and shop below just in case you're interested. Next item is this one. This is the Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara. So, I got this for 149 pesos. So, dalawang kinuha ko kasi I'm running out of mascara and I need mascara. So, yun, dalawa yung kinuha ko. And, sobrang ganda nito. Ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon. Matagal ko na siyang ginagamit since college ako, nung nagbe-makeup ako nun. Lagi kong ginagamit tong Hypercurl kasi sobrang mura niya. At the same time, nakaka-curl talaga siya ng lashes. So, yun. Better check this out. I think this is one of Maybelline's bestseller. Next item is this one. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer. Now, I got the shade Caramel. Actually, hindi ko alam kung shade ko ba tong Caramel kasi ang una kong shade na nakuha from Maybelline back then is Sand. Pero ang Sand kasi super sa akin, light. I think Caramel is nice naman sa akin. Kakolor niya yung skin ko lang. So, sana hindi siya sobrang dark sa foundation na gagamitin ko. Next items from Maybelline are lip products. Now, I got a lot of their lip products kasi naka-sale din siya. I think I bought each product for 169 pesos only. I think I got 3 products from the regular Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte and then isang product sa same line, Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte, pero yung pang morena. So, I don't know if this is really for morena, pero let's try to swatch this one kasi I'm really curious about this. Kasi dun sa promotional picture, parang brownish nude siya. Sobrang ganda kaya I want to try it out. Oh, yeah. So, medyo peachy color. Peachy brown color siya. And, bango. Mabango siya. This is in the shade Strip It Off. I like the packaging on this one kasi very matte textured siya. Tapos ito naman, parang plasticky type. Mas gusto ko yung packaging sa isa. Anyway, this is Made Easy. Ooh! So, this one right here. Medyo dark brick red. Am I describing this correctly? Basta ganun yung color niya and I think it's okay naman. Next is soft wine. Ito naman, soft wine naman to. So, let's just do an arm swatch. Kasi kapag nag-lip swatch tayo, matatagalan tayo. Oh, this is more on the dark side. Yeah. So, ito naman, medyo may pagka-burgundy na yung color niya, dark red. Compared to this one, this is darker. Bakit ba hindi nakalagay yung mga shades dito? Mellow Wine is way darker than Made Easy. Then this one, this is nudish color to. This is in the shade Sensational Me. So, medyo similar sila ni Strip It Off in a sense na nasa pink undertone lang itong Sensational Me, wherein this one nasa medyo peachy shade siya. Yep. those are the things I got from Maybelline. Now, moving on, we have L'Oreal products. Now, I also grabbed the chance sa L'Oreal kasi nakasale din yung iba. Now, the thing is, ang nangyari kasi dito sa L'Oreal, meron akong worth 200 coins sa Shopee. So, niredeem ko siya sa L'Oreal kasi medyo pricey ang L'Oreal, alam nyo naman. So, ayun, tapos, meron pang 100 pesos na voucher ang L'Oreal. So, parang ang pumapatak, naka-discount ako ng 300 pesos. So, ayun. The first thing that I got from L'Oreal is this. I think this is new. This is the Infallible 24-hour matte cover. I'll be doing a review on this one, especially summer ngayon. So, tignan natin kung matatalo ba nito yung Infallible Pro Matte na foundation ng L'Oreal. And I got the shade Caramel Beige. Now, this is their darkest shade, I think. Ito yung nasa pinakadulo. So, hopefully, hindi siya ganun ka-light sa akin and hopefully it works. Next item from L'Oreal is this L'Oreal True Match Concealer. Now, I got the shade 4.N Beige. Ngayon, I'm not sure if this is my color, pero sana. I think it is. Pero parang sa swatch, lang siya, light coverage. Ang hirap bumili ng foundation or concealer or even bronzer sa Shopee or Lazada or any other online store kasi you're not really sure kung ano yung shade mo doon. Malay mo, pag dumating sa'yo, sobrang light. Minsan naman, pag dumating sa'yo, sobrang dark. So, you really have to adjust for it. Pag sobrang light, sayang yung money mo. Pero pag sakto lang, maswerte ka. That's why I'm really having a hard time online shopping kapag pagdating sa foundation. Yun. So, what I tend to do is talagang manood muna ako ng videos na mga skin color ko. I'm medium to deep skin tone. Tinitignan ko kung ano ba yung foundation na madalas nilang ginagamit para sa kanila, tapos ina-assess ko kasing kulay ko ba talaga siya or mas light toned ako ng konti. Pag mas light toned ako ng konti, kinukuha ko yung foundation na a shade lighter kasi ginagamit niya. So, dami sabi. Last item that I got from L'Oreal is this Voluminous Lash Paradise. Now, I really swear by this product. Sobrang ganda nito. Nakaka-volumize talaga siya ng lashes. So, better check this out. This is 400 pesos yata. Last items are here. This is Focallure items. Now, I will be doing a full face of Focallure product. I will be reviewing them so I can see kung worth it ba siya or not. Kasi sobrang mura nila as you all know. So, anyway, pakita ko na lang din yung nabili ko. So, first items are this one. Now, ito, hindi to Focallure. Pero nandun kasi siya sa products ng Focallure. So, I thought it's Focallure. This is the Stagenius Matte Full Coverage Foundation. I got two shades. This is 09 Tan and 07 Honey. Kasi hindi ko nga alam kung ano yung perfect shade ko dito. Kaya yung dalawang kinuha ko. The good thing is meron silang sample size. Kaya pwede na, diba? Matitest mo talaga kung para sa'yo ba. And then, kung gusto mo, pwede ka bumili ng full size. Next item is this one. By the way, ang cute ng packaging ng Focallure kasi nakalagay kung ano yung comparison yung product na yun. So, ito for the face and hindi ko siya mabuksan. Wait lang. Sira ko muna yata tong product bago magpagamit. Yun. So, this is Focallure's loose powders. I got the shade number 3. Oh my god, medyo light pa rin pala itong number. Anyway, hindi ko muna siya bubuksan kasi like I said, I will do a dedicated video on Focallure items. So, next item is this one. This is the Focallure Auto Brows Pen. This is in the shade 02. So, ayun, 02. Oh my god, the shape of this is in triangular. Wait. Hindi nga muna magsaswatch. Ang kulit ko naman eh. Next item is this one. This is the Focallure Volumizing Mascara. Ang nakalagay dito is Focallure Balm Lashes Volumizing Mascara. So, we'll see about that. Tignan muna natin yung wand. Ooh. Okay. Next item is this one. This is the Focallure Full Coverage Concealer and I got the shade Medium Honey. And I hope tama yung shade na nakuha ko dito. Nasa pot siya eh. Kasi medyo mahal na yung yung parang nasa package na may doe foot applicator. So, I just got this one. Next item is this one. This is the Focallure Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Oh my god. Nung nagsha-shop ako, sobrang na-excite ako dito sa product na to kasi I love eyeshadows. Oh my god. Sinisira ko na yung kasi hindi ko siya mabuksan. Sobrang love ko ng eyeshadow. By the way, this is in the shade Royals. Then, I got Focallure's Intense Liquid Eyeliner Pen. Ito siya, eyeliner pen. And merong naaalog sa kanya. Ayan, so I'm so excited to try them out, ha. I got Focallure's Lip Crayons. This is in the shade Fuzzy Wuzzy and Smoky Topaz. Then, I got, ayun, so hindi rin to Focallure. So, I got Stagenius Highlighter. This is in the shade 02. This is what it looks like. Pero, ayun, hindi ko talaga siya isa-swatch. I really want to try it out. I really want to swatch it. Pero no, I won't. Kasi nga gagawa ako ng separate video dedicated to all of this Focallure items. And then, this is the Focallure Pressed Powder. I got the shade 02. Hindi na naman ako sure kung tama ba yung shade na nakuha ko. So, pag hindi, edi iyak ako sa video na yun. So, ayun. Oh! Maputi siya, girl! Ha! Hindi ko pa naman na-try. So, baka magawa natin ng paraan, diba? And we're down with our last two items. Tatapos na tayo. Konting tiis na lang. I got Focallure Blush Highlight Contour. Trio palette to. This is in the shade 02. Walang name yung mga palette sila. Numbers lang. Okay lang naman. I don't mind. So, hopefully, this contour works on my skin tone. Kasi kung hindi, iyak din ako. Pero this one, this blush is stunning. Very coral siya. And this highlighter. Ooh, I cheated. Last but not the least item that I got is this. This is Focallure 18 Shades Full Function Palette Twilight. The limited edition. So, I guess, limited edition siya. Yan natin. Kasi hindi ko pa ito nakikita. Sa personal. Pero sa picture, kaya ako ito kinuha. Kasi syempre, alam niyo naman, love na love ko talaga ang warm toned look. Kaya ito yung kinuha ko. Let's open. So, that's a lot of warm. Oh my God! Merong glitters! Gusto ko lang siya i-try. Pero okay. Must contain. So, almost lahat ng nakuha kong items from Shopee, syempre, i-review ko sila. So, I got a lot of items. The thing is, iba-ibang araw ko sila in-order. Pero, buti na lang, almost same week lang sila nagsidatingan lahat. Kasi, medyo matagal ang delivery ng Shopee kasi enhanced community quarantine, but still nagde-deliver sila. Medyo matagal lang pero dumadating sila sa house nyo. That completes this video, guys. So, ayun, I hope you guys liked it. Leave me a comment down below kung ano yung nagustuhan mo sa mga pinakita kong items, kung ano yung gustong-gusto mo nang makita kong i-review. Na-try mo na ba yung ibang items doon? What do you think of it? Okay ba siya? Worth the money ba? So, yep, let me know in the comment section down below. Give this video a like if you like this haul video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below, and of course, click the bell button for notifications. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again on my next video. Bye!